Hurt. Oh, minutes. Okay.
Your safety can only be guaranteed by your strict adherence to the orders of Dr. Victor Martin. Please enjoy all that Barbarian hospitality has to offer from the confines of your country.
It is appropriate advisement. So many outstanding candidates present now. Waiting here for the meeting.
Step inside, go inside.
For the last and final piece of my plan, your terror, sucked from the very marrow of your being, will fill my dear fuel reservoir and make me the most powerful man on Earth. Doombot, ignore safety warnings and set for maximum extraction. Maximum extraction. If your exceedings are developed, you have served too well. Thanks to you weak mortals, I finally have the power I need to crush the Fantastic Four. The triumph of Dr.
Well, that here's just a bridge to escape the Fearfall device. Pull in and push out on your harness. Once again, pull in and push out on your harness.